All right, so for anyone having a problem like I had, I just put this 25 horse, 4-stroke Bigfoot on for my kicker. My steering, electric steering, wasn't going through the tube. I mean, I tried taking sandpaper and wrapping it around the drill bits and getting in there and drilling and filing. Couldn't get it. So I bought a new tube. $150 Canadian for a steel tube. Crazy. Anyway, it goes right there, but loosens it all off and smacking it with a 5-pound hammer and it's not moving. So, okay, I can't get it out. I can't replace it. So, do what I did. Go get yourself a 2132 bit, which my local rental store sold me for $10. Pretty good deal. I'm sure it's like $100 bit. And we're gonna drill it out and make sure it's, you know, a good 9 inches long or so, so it goes farther than half the tube, so you can get it from both sides. I'm pulling it out, right? Of course. Anyway. It bites hard, so you gotta be careful. Make sure you got yourself a little cut and spray. Just go slow and gentle. I don't want to force it. You don't want to cook this expensive bit. Oh, it's still nice. Come on, stop spinning. Boy, oh boy. Continue this video in a minute. All right, we're just about there now. Almost broke my nose trying to do this. There we go, just about there. Jeez. All right, got the steering all hooked up. Pretty straightforward. Just put the nut in, put the bar on, connect it. Now it can steer. Now we're gonna go hook up the lines that go through this tube inside. Okay, so it's not finished yet, but ran the cables out. You gotta move the controller, I think, and then ran the main harness through. I had to connect Where are we? There's 2 holes in here. Lower ones for your shift, top ones for your throttle. And this little guy here locks them in place. And then your shift hooks up down there at the bottom. And your throttle hooks up right above that. No? Yeah. So that one there is a bugger to do. The bottom one. You gotta get that to pop up and back. And this top one's pretty easy, but this will fall off. So make sure you pay attention to that guy. But I mean, there's nowhere for it to really go. And then, yeah, climb inside. I had to run my power cables underneath the floor down there. And I had to drill a hole back there to run shifter out. It's not mounted yet. I had to remove this entire box to get the wires to run, which had a few bolts underneath. Lots of fun. I haven't really mounted this yet, but it's just kind of sitting there, pinched on kind of deal. But cables are stiff. Got trim all working. Should fire up, but I gotta move the boat all the way over there to get some water to it. So do a video for that after I'm done mounting everything.